People are going to want to stay off the road, stay safe, stay warm. You're going to tell us what to expect next.
Yeah, we're not finished with this winter storm, Dawn. In fact, our team's had an eye on it for the past week. It as a wave weather alert day. You can see from up in Starlight, Indiana, Huber's Orchard Winery, snow covered ground. Yes, it's everywhere. We weren't the only ones to get the snow. Temperatures are well below freezing to the north. North Vernon, 23 in Salem. Closer to Louisville, we're getting closer to that freezing mark at 32, but we're just below at 31. Down to our south, a lot of 32 showing up, and that's where we see more of the sleet and freezing rain mixing in from Louisville on south. Regardless, we still have the winter storm warning in place through tomorrow at 7 p.m. It is snow across southern Indiana. You can see our MPING reports indicating that mix going up just across the river. So areas along Interstate 64 and south have a mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Sort of a tug of war with that warmer nose of air coming in. And we see that on the radar view as well. So we do have some sleet and freezing rain across Louisville. It is all snow across southern Indiana, and even some rain with some thunder and lightning in areas to our south. All of this part of a much bigger system that has severe weather with it in the deep south. For us, here's what to expect moving forward. Hour by hour, we are going to note that this area of freezing rain and sleet lifts to the north. We'll spend a good chunk of the evening and tonight in that freezing rain and sleet mix, and then a period of snow comes in tomorrow morning. We'll talk amounts on that coming up. The next 12, notice that sleet and freezing rain is going to be with us. We have accumulations on that and problems that it will cause. Some areas have already seen problems. Carson Meredith's keeping an eye on the issues we've seen with the snow and the ice so far.
In a 1-2 punch so far, Kevin, the first of which, power outages. We've been doing well so far throughout the day, but now that we're getting more of that freezing rain and sleet in the mix, we're just now starting to get a few power outages in our southern counties, down along the parkways. Let's focus on Harned County in particular first. This number has climbed just in the last couple of minutes. Now 5% of customers in Harned County, around 2,500 customers, in fact, without power, down towards E-Town. Let's go to Washington County, Kentucky. Same story, around 5% of customers without power. Here in the metro, we haven't seen a whole lot of freezing rain just yet. Obviously, we've had plenty of snow so far, so you notice the power outage numbers here in the city are very minor. But again, as that risk for freezing rain continues to climb through the night, we'll have to keep an eye on additional power outages here in the city. We'll have to watch traffic as well. It's been a mess on all the major thoroughfares across the metro throughout the day, and that trend will likely continue through the night as those temperatures start to drop once again. Wave News anchor Noel Friel is out live this evening in the Storm Tracker. Noel, tell us where you are now and what the roads look like in the Storm Tracker.
Yeah, Carson, right now we're on I-65 south, just kind of crawling down the road. You mentioned that freezing rain. It's definitely coming down hard right now. I don't know if my mic is picking it up, but you can hear it hitting the windshield. So let's go ahead and take you outside so that you can get a look here. So there you can see we're kind of stuck behind a snowplow right now, just kind of crawling down and moving along slowly. We did just get an update from the mayor a little bit ago. He's stressing that you need to stay home if possible. He said right now 200 people across the metro have been working all day to cover 110 snow routes. And he said, as of the presser today, that all but a couple have had at least one pass today. However, because of all the snow and the freezing rain, just because they've made one pass does not mean that it's safe. Let's take a quick look at the snow map for the metro right now. So if you can take a look at this, you can see it's obviously color coded. The green means that it's been salted, the purple means it's been salted and plowed, and the red means that it's in progress. But again, this is not in real time. These are updated once those routes are finished. But it is a good tool to go ahead and see if the route that you're looking to take has already been completed. So definitely something good to keep in mind. We'll stay out here, keep tracking the roads, and we'll check in with you later this evening. Back to you guys.
All right, Noel, thank you. And as she mentioned, Mayor Craig Greenberg is providing another update on how the city is responding to the winter weather. Now, here's a look from the storm tracker. Again, you saw from Noel. This is the side streets. The Metro Snow Team has been working hard to clear all of the streets, but you see these are a bit more snowy. More than 200 employees working since about 6 this morning. They're salting, they're plowing. Takes them about 12 hours to get every route once. And right now, they are ahead of schedule.
We are going to get this done. We have an extremely committed snow team that is working hard day and night to clear the roads, and that's going to continue through this evening.
The best thing that you can do to help the Metro Snow Team, stay indoors if you don't have to go out. If you have to get out on the road, make sure to give them plenty of room, and please, please go slow. We're going to take a quick break and bring you more of this snow unbelievable alert day. We'll have more. Stay with us for Wave News at 6. Because today it was cold.
Right.
Later this week, it is going to be colder than cold.
And the snowpack, Dawn, that we've seen so far today, it's not going anywhere. So that means it's already going to be a deep freeze as it is. We go into the latter part of this week, but it's going to be even colder than what the forecast model suggests because of that snowpack. Let's focus on Wednesday of this upcoming work week in particular. Look at our forecast high here in Louisville, 20 degrees. That's it. And we'll keep this deep freeze around for quite some time, and we'll talk about maybe the chance for some snow with this deep freeze later this week in a second. Let's get you outside to the Wave Weather Garden. There's the boss, Chief Meteorologist Kevin Harned. How deep is that snow out there, my friend?
You know, it's getting squashed down by the sleet you can hear. We're going to come back to you in a minute, Carson, to talk about sort of the next big impact that we have, and that's the cold and more snow later this week. But everybody's wanting to know, when's this going to end? And we're seeing sleet in Louisville now. Get sort of that crusty glaze on top of the snow, which is fairly deep out here in the weather garden. All right, let me show you what's coming up over the course of the next, I'd say, when we start looking at the next few hours, we're talking about through midday Monday. That's what we really have to focus on. So through Monday, we've got snow and freezing rain to contend with. This is going to keep travel on the dangerous side, and power outages will be scattered. We're already seeing some. Pointed that out earlier. Let me show you all counties that we serve, 34 of them, all under the winter storm warning through tomorrow evening. With that said, we've got the wintry mix, freezing rain, sleet, snow this evening. That's what we've got out here right now. Maybe more sleet than freezing rain or snow at this point, but there's a little of each mixed in. It's like a tug of war with that warmer air just above the surface. Our surface temperature is below freezing, so it falls and it freezes, creates a glaze in the case of freezing rain. We've got that light wintry mix overnight tonight, and then more snow, another 1 to 3 inches coming our way tomorrow. That freezing rain creates a problem because it is what we call accretion. It has weight. It's glaze of ice on not just trees that can fall, but also power lines, and we see those sagging. In fact, a half an inch of ice adds about 500 pounds to those power lines. Yikes. We don't want any of that. All right, let's talk about what's coming our way in terms of types of precip. When we have the warm air all the way to the surface, we get rain. We get this shallow layer of cold air, we get freezing rain. As the colder air builds, that flake that falls and melts creates an ice ball. That's sleet. Yeah. That's at least somewhat better. We can at least get some traction. And when it stays cold from the cloud to the ground, we get plain old snow. And we had a lot of that earlier today. Some folks in southern Indiana will keep that even tonight. Driving is problematic. We don't always have issues in rainy weather, but freezing rain, obviously we do. The glaze, the sleet, the ice pellets give us at least a little bit of traction, and the snow that we have gives us a little bit of traction as well. Across the area today, we have had the snow, we've had the freezing rain and sleet in many of our communities to the south, and that's what we're going to contend with right into the evening hours. Hour by hour, temperatures fall back into the 20s. The Wave Weather app's the place to be. Make sure you have it. I want to point out that as we take a look at temperatures around the area, we see areas flirting with freezing to the south. We've already picked up 6, 7, 8 inches of snow across the region, pretty much on target with what we thought. We're going to add a little ice to this overnight tonight, and we'll add a little snow to this coming in here tomorrow. The radar view showing some of that heavier sleet moving across Jefferson County. It's snow in southern Indiana and a little more active severe weather to our south. Let's talk about the incoming weather behind this system, the cold, and another batch of snow. Carson?
We mentioned that deep freeze that is in store as we get towards the middle part of this week. High temperatures stuck in the teens for many of us. Overnight lows in the single digits for sure. Maybe below zero, especially if you saw a lot of snow today. You notice that next big weather maker, it's moving through on Friday. That's why the alert day is in place for Friday. When we look at that snow cover potential, notice a wide swath of snow is on the table, not just here in wave country, but even down towards the southeastern U.S. as well. It's too early for specifics as far as accumulations, timing, anything like that, but indications are that this could be a pretty impactful system as we get towards Friday of this upcoming week. And the good news with this system is it doesn't look like it's going to have much of a ice concern like we had with this system that rolled through earlier today. Speaking of ice, you notice that ice accretion forecast still looking at around a ½ inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of ice for areas right along I-64, stretching down towards the parkways as that freezing rain potentially comes into play more over the next few hours while that sleet continues to fall for the time being. Kevin, will send it back out to you in the weather garden and give you a closer look at that 10-day earliest alert. If you're looking for a warm-up, it's not on its way anytime soon, right?
Yeah, no question. The sleet just continues to come down here in the weather garden. You can see on our maps, we're going to notice that ice will continue overnight tonight into the early morning hours. It eases a bit, and then tomorrow afternoon, we do see some of that light snow gradually end. That's the snowmaker for tomorrow we mentioned. And again, you can see that snow through the morning hours fades in the afternoon. So later this week, it really is the cold, the snow that we have to contend with. 31 with a wind chill of 22 right now. Our low tonight will go down to 26. What we have on the ground freezes. It's problematic. Gonna have to be careful if you're out tonight. Tomorrow, snow, 1 to 3 inches, and an additional accumulation is possible. We'll go 30 for tomorrow's high. Here comes that very cold 10-day earliest alert. Yikes. Bundle up. We've got lows in the single digits. Some of you will go below zero. Daytime highs could stay in the teens midweek, Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, another alert day. That's because of another snowmaker coming our way. We're back in the 30s, but the question is, will we get above freezing? Not so sure about that. That's the 10-day earliest alert. We'll be right back.
Oh, hey.